How much girlfriends you had in total? That's a very tough question.
ये फंस गया सीएम।
तू तो गया बेटे।
So welcome back to my channel. Hi.
Namaste.
Namaste. And this vlog is going to be about question and answer. This is our first question and answer video. We got so many questions recently. We posted a story about asking questions. I'm gonna read it out. You guys have asked very amazing questions. You will be surprised to see.
I don't even know what the question is in Hindi. Some questions.
Yeah, some questions are in Hindi, so I will try to answer both in English and Hindi as well.
Wow.
Wow.
So talented. Yeah.
So talented.
Okay.
First question is,
First one.
भाभी जी को इंडिया लेके आओ. Is by Abhishek Sharma. He is saying, bring Lucy to India.
Yeah, of course we will go one day soon.
Soon. Inshallah. Mashallah.
What's that? Mashallah.
Of course.
What's that?
It's like just a word. Okay, so now the second question is, कितने पैसे कमाते हो भाई? He's asking how much do I earn?
How much do
Bro, I earn. भाई इतना आ जाएगा कि I can buy one Lamborghini. In my dream.
Even though I don't know what you're saying, but I heard a word. Oh my god.
No, bro.
Lamborghini.
Zero rupees because I don't. जॉब ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ भाई इधर में.
मस्त जोक मारा रे, ये हंस रहे हलकट।
The third question is from Dark Senpai. He's asking, is Lucy your first girlfriend or no? How much girlfriends you had in total? That's a very tough question.
I don't even know.
So tell me how much I had.
Just tell them that.
Lucy
First question. I'm
first-
not his first friend. Girlfriend.
Friend.
Yeah. First girlfriend.
Yeah, she's
How many then? Which one I am then?
she is my fourth.
You have to use your toes, right?
To count, right? Like practically fourth or fifth girlfriend, but
Fourth or fifth. So you don't even remember.
so, and if I count theoretically like online wale, if I count from the online to like which I never met, just had a relation with on social media or something, maybe 15 or 16, maybe 16 or I don't nearby. Okay.
Good job.
Yeah,
Good job, huh?
Thank you. Okay, so the another question is, भाई आपको न्यूयॉर्क में जॉब कैसे मिल गई? इजीली मिली या स्ट्रगल करके? आपने प्लीज आंसर करना मेरे क्वेश्चन का. It was not a easy phase. It was not a easy task to get a job in New York first of all. इसके पहले मैं कुवैत में था. So when I was in Kuwait, so I used to save my money, every money, and then I didn't used to spend a lot. And the money which I saved, I told you about these things. Like I put all this money and invested in the J1 internship program. You can just find out from any consultancy and you can just apply it to that. और बाद में तुमको certain amount होता है pay करने का. So whatever depends. And then just pay the amount and you have to give a visa interview and then you can just come here in America and do the work. That's it.
But here you have to pay more for the rent, right?
For the rent, yeah.
So when you were in
first-
Kuwait, you don't have to pay rent?
No, I used to pay, but it's like a very minimum from the salary. It's like 5%. But here, it's like when you come in New York, you have to pay like 25-30% from your salary, the rent.
Yeah, it's very expensive.
Yeah. So the other question is, कौन सा steroid कौन सा वाला लिया था? Because he thinks.
What?
My brother, he thinks
What's that? What's that?
steroid कौन सा वाला लिया था? Steroid is like a injection for body. He thinks I am so big and sexy. So I took injection, steroid. No, bro, it's all natural.
No, bro, it's all nature.
Yes.
I'm his.
You just need to have a girlfriend and then that's it.
That's it.
भाई तुम्हारा सारा बॉडी बन जाएगा सब अपने आप. और रात को जल्दी सो जाओ और बाथरूम में जाके कुछ गंदे काम मत करो, बस बॉडी बन जाएगा अपने आप.
तू समझा? हाँ नहीं तू समझा नहीं.
So my friend asked Sanu Paswan, he's asking तूने इसके साथ फ्यूचर प्लान किया है क्या? सच बोलना. He's asking like, have I planned a future with you? Oh, that's my friend. Interesting question. Of course, bro. If I'm staying with her, there is a reason, right? I have like check किया ऊपर से नीचे from top to bottom, her heart as well, and her past as well, and her nature as well. I think so. If you wanna find a good partner for the rest of your life, you just need to look at her heart. That's the most important thing in the relationship, any relationship. That's the best advice I can give. So, the next question is from my sister, Neha.
Your sister?
India,
Ah,
Anna, when you come India, bring iPhone for me.
okay.
Okay.
She said to you,
iPhone.
right?
Yeah, of course me. I will bring her iPhone. Which one is the smallest model? iPhone, the smallest one. iPhone second generation, right?
That's more expensive nowadays, I think, because
I
it's
will-
so hard to find.
I will give you the smallest version, baby. Neha.
Yeah.
Relationship goal by Vikas Gupta. Relationship goal. The only goal should be like working on each other.
Grow up together.
Yeah, grow up together.
Earn money together.
Earn money together. Spend money
Be rich
together.
together.
Yeah, be loyal together. Be
Yeah.
loyal till that.
For now, we have to focus on our work.
Yeah, that's the main thing. Like, and also keep learning new things and don't compare yourself to others. That's it. That's what I want to
It's
say.
not easy to live here, so we have to work hard.
Yeah, it's okay. And so the next question is, oh, this is a good question, interesting question by Ninad Sukale. He's asking, how does it feels after getting into a better physique? Absolutely wonderful and amazing, bro. Like,
So,
no,
no, that's mine.
because you have to work very hard every day. Each day you have to push yourself. It's not about the physical fitness, it's more about the mental fitness.
I
When you
agree.
have to push yourself, because doing hard thing is not everyone's cup of tea, I think so, to be very honest. So the next question is, क्यों जिंदगी जीने के लिए मरना जरूरी है? By Dev. अरे भाई,
What's
I
that?
don't know. He's asking some stupid question.
What's that?
कि जिंदगी जीने के लिए to live, why we have to die, something like that.
Ah,
Yeah, of course. When you come on this earth, you have to sign an agreement with the God. You have to die, bro. We cannot do
I
anything.
think like everyone come in this world for a mission. So after you finish
Yeah.
these things, we have to go back. That's it.
So the next question is by Tanya. How your love story started? She's my cousin. So tell them. I will tell them. Don't worry. If you don't wanna say.
We can keep this for next vlog
Yeah, maybe.
because that's a little bit
Deep question and like a big question.
and long.
Yeah, long
That's
story.
enough.
Okay, we will say this in the next
But
video.
maybe we can say for now how long we stay together, right?
Yeah, we already 9 months, 9.5
Almost
months.
10.
Yeah, almost 10 months. One of my friend, my brother is asking Pawan, Shadi, when are you going to marry? Right now I'm 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, maybe 3 or 4 years. Yeah. Of course, 3 or 4 years.
After we become financial free.
Oh,
Right.
oh, financial free, yeah?
Yeah.
Who taught you all those things, huh?
Of course we have.
Bhai, sab sikha jao. Okay, so name 3
Things
you can't live without. Name 3 things you can't live without. Lucy, my family.
Your family is not. It's not one thing.
So
It's
the,
so
yeah,
many
yeah, that's why I said all. And the third thing is fitness.
So you can live without money, right?
Of course, money is more important. Yeah. Okay, the next question is by Vikas Gupta. India की याद आती है क्या? Of course. Every second, I miss India.
I can guess what's the question is that. Of course he miss Indian.
Of
He's
course.
such a maybe
Big national
home person, family person. He means his
nationality
family.
person.
So I have to try my best to make him feel warm, not lonely here. Right?
Yeah. We
We
have
finished?
finished all the questions.
Okay, good. Like
Yeah,
that.
if you like this, just comment us and tell us did you like this video a lot. Thank you for watching. So see you until next time. Bye bye. Have a good day or night, whatever
Whatever.
the time
You're
is.
now.
Yeah. Thank you for watching us. Bye bye.